Let's take a peek at this 1998 Porsche Boxster. Nice drop top. As you can see, this particular car is red on black. Still riding on the original Porsche wheels. Paint has a nice luster to it, as you can see in the reflection of the video here. There are a few little spots that I'll point out, a few imperfections here and there, but I'll point those out for you. Now, of course, 98, the Porsche was running a 2.5 liter water-cooled engine in this, getting away from the Boxster air-cooled when they came out with this. Particular car only weighs a little over 2,800 pounds, and with that 2.5 liter, this thing will actually go 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds and still get you 28 miles to the gallon or so if you're driving, close to legal speeds down the highway. So nice efficiency engine, but also a nice car as far as acceleration and handling. This particular car would have the automatic transmission in it. It does have the Triptronic shifter on the steering wheel. And we'll check that out when I get around to the interior of it and let you check that out. Here you can see there's a few little rock chips and what have you that you're going to get on a kind of a sloped nose sports car. Not a ton of miles on it though, a little over 54,000 I believe it is. Take it out per year on this one, it's probably about 1,300 miles a year, give or take. So hasn't been driven a ton, a lot of life left in these in that kind of mile range, and a lot of bang for the buck. Fun car for the money. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the undersides, you can check out the fore and aft compartments, check out the interior. Feel free to do that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link in the description. Click on that, that's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see up and down the sides of it, not full of a bunch of nicks or dings or scratches or anything like that. One of the things I want to point out, this does have the Zender Industries, I believe was the brand of this. I do have a picture too. It has the tonneau cover that slides into place. Now this is a two-piece tonneau cover, so you can see a seam if you look close there in the center. So it is a two-piece tonneau cover, composite, and you can take that off and it'll slip. One piece will go in the front compartment, one piece in the rear compartment, so you can also take that off. And of course you'd have to do that to put the top up, so by no means do you try to put the power top up without taking that off first. That is a manual operation, similar to what you'd see in like SN95 Mustangs with the tonneau cover that snaps down in the back seats, buckles. All right, now we do consider financing. We do consider trades. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Feel free to ask your sales consultant about that when you call in or email us. One other little spot I wanted to point out here and then up here, you can kind of see that, and I do have the still pictures of that, pointed that out in the still pictures, so I want to make you aware of it, buying from the photos and video here. Come around here, take a look at the driver's side. Also nice and clean up and down it again, not full of a bunch of nicks or dings or scratches up and down the sides of it. Now as far as options in the interior, let's check out. So we got leather seats, we got dual power bucket leather seats, obviously two-seat roadster. There's your automatic. You do have power windows, AM FM CD player, climate control, power mirrors, memory seating also. I want to show you that right down here, and this is where you can open the front storage compartment and rear storage compartment both there, and then of course the memory buttons right there. Here's your Triptronic as far as your shifting goes, both sides of the steering wheel. Of course, cruise control. Now let's go ahead and fire this up and I'll show you the exact miles. 54,000 some odd miles, I believe it was. Here's your climate control screen too, by the way. Then CD player, AM, FM. Dash, nice shape, not cracked, been out in the sun or anything like that. Alright, there is your miles, 53,765. Center console, windows located, and then there's driver manual shift for the automatic. Come around here to that center exhaust, nothing crazy as far as exhaust note or anything out of the ordinary, just a smooth running Boxster. There you have it, 1998 Porsche Boxster. What a beautiful drop top, red on black, a little over 54,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is our website. Down below this video, click on the link, that's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your salesperson when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you.